Dates are amazing fruits with excellent nutrition profile. It have become popular in recent years ever since researchers discovered its numerous health benefits. They are chewy, with an exceptional sweet flavor, and can easily be used in place of sugar due to its sweet taste. There are different varieties of dates. The most common ones in the markets are usually dried with wrinkled skin. While the fresh dates are usually bright red or bright yellow in color, but the good news is that you will still get the same health benefits, whether fresh or dried. This video will discuss the various health benefits of dates. So, stick around and watch the video to the end to learn more about this amazing fruit. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more videos like this. 1. Dates are natural sweetener. It is rich in fructose, which is a natural type of sugar commonly found in fruits. This particular property makes date a great healthy substitute for a white sugar since it has other health benefits, such as high antioxidants and high fiber contents, as well as potassium, magnesium, iron, vitamin B6 and so on. One can make a date paste by mixing dates with little amount of water in a blender. This paste can then be used to replace white sugar in your regular diet, such as oatmeal. However, you should not forget to remove the seed when making the paste because it's very hard and cannot be dissolved with water. 2. Dates are high in antioxidants. It contains high amounts of flavonoid, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants are disease-fighting agents that protects your cells from free radicals, which may cause harmful reactions that can kill your body cells and lead to several diseases. In addition, they contain carotenoids, which promotes heart health, and may also reduce eye-related disorders. 3. Dates are high in fiber. Research have shown that fiber-containing foods are very important for your overall health. They help in digestive system by preventing constipation, and promotes regular bowel movements, thereby ensuring adequate digestion of food. They are high in fiber, hence, including dates in your diet is a great way to increase your fiber intake. 4. Dates improves bone health. They are loaded with nutrients like magnesium, calcium, manganese and copper. These nutrients plays a major role when it comes to keeping our bones healthy. They also help to prevent bone-related conditions like osteoporosis. 5. Dates improves sexual performance. Studies have shown that dates has a natural aphrodisiac that can help to treat sexual disorders. Hence, eating dates could treat sexual impotence, increase libido, and help improve sexual activities by increasing the production of sex hormone and promoting the sperm quality and quantity. Thanks for watching. Tell us other health benefits of dates you may know at the comment section. If you love the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more healthy tips, subscribe to our channel.